like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, hey, I'm Deb. Glad to see you, and if you're returning, hey, thanks. I so appreciate you. Today I have Luxury Diva, and now this month they went to the bags, which they said they told us last month they were going to go to the bags, and this costs $35 if you subscribe, and you can cancel at any time, or if you just want one box to see if you like it, that's $40. But like some of the other YouTubers have been saying, hey, be smart, subscribe, and then if you don't like it, just unsubscribe. But you're guaranteed to have a $100 value. In the last few months, they have been going up and up. This one's a little bit lower than last month, but that's okay because it's January. Last month was Christmas. So this, you have a value of $111. So let's see what we have here. I'm just going to pull everything out of the bag because I tend to sometimes get stuff lost in the bottom of the bag. And she always has some kind of treat. So this month it's Swedish fish. It's mini. So let me get myself together here. What's what? Okay. I think I can tell the difference now. Let's see. First thing I'm pulling out is it's black plus long sleeve neck t-shirt, and it's $33 value, which I appreciate it not being a sweater because honestly, I don't like sweaters. I get too hot-blooded for it, and by the way, you like my shirt? If you're going to be salty, bring the tequila. So this is, I'm just going to throw that there. Throw my trash down on the floor and this is what it looks like. And that's what it looks like, and it's V-neck and long sleeve, and it's just plain black. And then that's a $33 value. And then we have black fleece lined comfy leggings, and these are valued at $23. Open it. That's what these look like, and they're just black leggings, but they're fleece lined, it says. That's what those look like. Just plain leggings. Well, shoot. Then we have, what's the next thing? Tassel boot cuffs with button trim. And that's what they look like. These go over your boots. Is that black or blue? I can't tell. These go over the top of your boots. Keep them from rubbing. Those are cute. Those are cute. And those are, what were they? $20. Then it's gem and stone earrings, and they're $20. $20 value. I'll have to take these out so I can see them because I can't even see them. Let's see. They have a lot of jewelry that I've gotten a lot of jewelry from them that I really like. And that's what those look like. I'm not sure. Is that supposed to be XO? Or just a square and a O? I'm not sure. But that's what they look like. Different. I will wear them because they are different. Now, every earring I've gotten from them have not bothered my ears, and I am nipple sensitive, so I do have nice earrings. And those are valued at $20. And then, lastly, we have Beauty Creations 2-pack of shimmery lip gloss. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I couldn't begin to read that. Let's see if I can find my... Here's my magnifying glass. BFF. And what's this one? Last Touch. This one is BFF. No. And this one is Last Touch. And they're supposed to be shimmery lip glosses, but I don't see much shimmer there. But that's what those are. And that's our Luxury Divas for the month of January. What'd you think of that one? Honestly, not their best box either. I'm on a roll today because I just got done doing glossy box. Well, not their best one so far, but I did like the earrings, and honestly, the shirt is really kind of thin. It's very thin. So, I mean, would I pay $33 for this? Probably not, because I can see the light through it. I probably wouldn't pay $33 for a long sleeve t-shirt. So, and I probably wouldn't pay, how many was it for the leggings? The fleece line leggings? 23. So, a little inflated pricing on this one, I would say. But anyway, it's usually a lot better box. This is not their best work. So feel free to come on back. Join us. We do all kinds of unboxings. I do beauty unboxings. I do mystery boxes, FabFitFun, Temu. We do bins hauls. We do all kinds of things here. Anything to do with saving money. So anyway, come on back. Join us. Like and subscribe.